Jaji, right now we are in Borås and there we are started to eat in this restaurant called Bueno Taco, Mexican fast food. So they have a very good concept here. I can show you. So it's a taco shop. It's a Mexican fast food. Here you can go on this website. I like their concept because the shop is very fresh here, and we have ordered something, and this is their menu. You can see. So almost in 95 crown you can eat this nice, but they have something called taco original, just 10 crown. So you can order it vegetarian if you are a vegan. So that's what we did. You can order with chicken and other. It's not fish like beef. Nothing with seafood, I think. I haven't found anything with seafood. So yeah, that's I think newly open here in Borås, called Bueno Taco. Yep, if you go to Borås, you can try this out. And it's not a sponsor video, it's just I'm just posting a video because we are out here and Ushna is sleeping, so we get time to eat some nice food. Yeah, stay tuned for these small videos also. So I'm gonna post more and more videos like this. And bye bye.